Hi crocheters, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be answering the question of where to buy cheap yarn online. I hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. My first go-to store for super cheap yarn online is certainly Yarn Paradise, also known as Ice Yarns. I super duper love this yarn store. They're like the world's biggest online yarn store you can ever find. They have the cheapest yarns possible on their website. They have several variety of yarns. Their prices are ridiculously low. They have super good quality of yarns. However, their shipping costs are based on your shipping country and the amount you want to buy, and of course your order. All items come from Turkey and they are known for great customer service. Next up we have Lovecraft. Lovecraft is an online store where you can get super cheap quality yarn from. They have great prices. They offer so many selections of yarn. Restock of yarn is guaranteed. They offer free shipping for orders above $60 and they have a flat shipping rate of $4.95. They also offer free returns on their store. Next up we have Dollar Tree. As we all know, Dollar Tree is known for selling super cheap stuff. You can get great deals for cheap yarn in bulk, and you can also get bulk yarns for like super low prices. However, you must buy as quick as possible if you see any yarn that you like, because restock of yarn is not guaranteed. Next up we have Dealgenius Yarn. Dealgenius Yarn is an amazing brand that sells amazing yarn like Lion Brand, Bernat Yarn, Red Heart Yarn. They sell all kinds of big quality yarns and they are super cheap. They offer super low prices. They have great reviews and they offer free shipping up from $29 and above with a flat rate shipping of $5 as well. Our next brand store is We Crochet. We Crochet is a sister company of Knit Picks. Yarns are sold at super low prices, guys. It has a minimum $35 free US shipping and a flat rate shipping fee of $4.99. I really love this brand. They have really quality yarn. They have great customer service as well, and I trust that you can get super cheap yarn from this store. And now we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, please be sure to check out my new merch store and get anything that you'd like from the store. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.